a student of mine asked me a fantastic question the other day. So she said she had this conversation with a colleague of hers the other day at work, and she was trying to, convince him and trying to just show him her point of view, her ideas, but it just seemed like no matter how hard she tried, the colleague just didn't want to take what she had to say on board. Like the colleague just kept on disagreeing with her, and it kind of like got her, frustrated, which is understandable, because every single time when we feel like people are disagreeing with us, like disagreement can breed frustration. Like it's happened to even the best of us. It's happened to every single one of us, right? So I say to her, okay, so what if we approach the conversation from a different perspective? What if we go into every single interaction from now on with a different kind of mentality where we seek to understand instead of trying to persuade and convince? So if we seek to understand the other person, what would that look like? And I believe it would require us to come from a place of curiosity where we have to show genuine curiosity and interest in the other person's point of view, their perspective. And it would make us curious about, I wonder what's the story behind it. I wonder what's the reason behind what his disagreement. So let's explore this. Let's find out. Then it's a different kind of mentality. How would that change things for you if today you seek to understand the other person? So food for thought. I'm going to leave you with that. And let me know what you think in the comments, and have a lovely day. Bye.